Okay, student, now we are going to solve the question number 4, part 3. Here we have the two triangles. We have to find whether they are congruent to each other or not. So in solution, we will take the correspondence between these two between two triangles. If we take the triangle ABC, one-to-one corresponds to triangle DEF. As we see that their sides AB is corresponds to side DE, which are equal to each other. This shows that they are equal to each other. So side AB is equal to side DE. Here we have the side, and the second side AC is equal to the corresponding sides DE. Both these two sides are congruent to each other or equal to each other, so we write AC is equal to DF. So it's also a side. But if we see that the angle A corresponds to angle D, these two angles are not equal to each other, and angle E is corresponds to angle B, which are not equal to each other. So in these two triangles we have only the two sides equal, but as we have learned that in congruent triangles at least three elements must be equal to each other. So these two triangles are not congruent to each other. So here we write triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle DEF. So if you have to find the congruency of two triangles, at least three sides or two angles one side, or two sides of one angle, or two angles one side must be equal to both the triangles to find the congruency of the two triangles. So here we have only two sides equal. At least three elements must be equal in both triangles. So we can say that these two triangles are not equal or not congruent to each other.